Yeah.
money.
So there is an agenda, but obviously हर इंसान का भी एक अपना agenda होता है. Everybody shows charm. Everybody likes a charming person. But वो charm जब आता है, tell people कि यार आपके antenna on होना शुरू हो जाए. That's where you start. Predatory behavior is not just one or two signs. It's a series of behaviors जिससे आपको समझ में आता है, oh, danger right over
So
here.
don't you guys agree? Okay, charm is not a trait you're born with. It's something that you learn.
See, yeah, this is a art, we can say, or a skill, and if one should know that how we need to use it, अब वो positive manner में कर रहा है या negative कर रहा है, it's again his choice that for what gain he is doing and how he is doing
Negative
it.
or positive, charm
Yeah.
means कि मुझे आपसे कुछ चाहिए.
Exactly, but वो देखिए harmful ways भी तो होते हैं ना. If somebody is like charming और उसको पता है कि like there is a एक gathering हो रही है और if I'm a charming person, I'll have a good contacts for my business or for to have a good networking. But if there is somebody who is actually a criminal or having some bad intention, लेकिन वो अपने charm को इस तरह से present कर रहा है कि कोई attract और उसको वो अपना शिकार बनाए, उसको नुकसान पहुंचाए, उसमें sexual abuse शामिल होती है, उसमें financial abuse शामिल होती है, उसमें बहुत सारी
And we see so many different forms of
Even,
abuse
you
in
know,
one
exactly, we know so many cases जिसमें लोगों को मजा आता है दूसरों को psychologically और emotionally damage
Exactly.
करने
So
में.
Marty, I want to build
Yeah.
upon it like that because Basam, आप जो हैं आप cases लेते हैं, your speciality अगर आप खुद बताएं तो अच्छा है. And then I want you to talk about tell us a case which is prevalent to today's topic. The case that has already been solved. मतलब ये नहीं कि वो अभी हुआ and
Yeah,
we
it's
get
very
into-
unusual because we always talk about women's cases, but this is a case that includes men against men. It's a very unusual one, and one of my favorite directors. I heard I didn't understand which side to take.
Yeah.
So first you tell us that and then we'll get back to that very hot topic.
So I specialize in criminal law and I specialize in the sexual violence and heinous offenses related to women. These types of cases.
Around the office, in the house, that kind of stuff.
Like serious offenses such as rape,
Okay.
rape, sodomy, sexual abuse,
Wow.
और इस तरह के cases.
ठीक.
उसमें mostly what I see is that जो predators की हम बात करें, they have certain tools that they can use. And they have this किसी जब cyber harassment की हम बात करते हैं, तो they have this art of manipulation that can also like charm के साथ they are equipped to seduce someone. And seduction is also an art. It is learned. या
Andrew Tate ने ये पूरा किया था ना, तो एक human trafficking
even,
का
even
network
though
इसी
these
चीज पे
predators
बेस
are
किया.
very smart and sharp, they
Yeah.
noticed everything in their like the we can say the target. They make targets and then
Yeah.
they started working to